Time is of the essence, a warning to stroke victims who delay seeking treatment at medical facilities. Shamela Pullen tells us more in the health report.
A stroke occurs when a blood vessel in the brain ruptures and bleeds, or when there is a blockage in the blood supply to the brain. It is the second leading cause of death in the world. Dr. Tamika March Downer is a consultant internist and neurologist at the University Hospital of the West Indies. She says the hospital gets at least 3 patients each week with massive stroke attacks.
We're still having persons coming the day after the symptoms have started because they're watching it, trying to see if it will improve. They're trying their home remedies, garlic, all sorts of teas and herbal remedy. And when that doesn't work, then they present.
And so presenting to a hospital or a medical doctor within the first 24 hours is critical for treatment.
If you present within the 24 hours and you have a particular type of stroke called a large vessel occlusion, then you can also benefit from thrombectomy, which is surgery where we remove the obstruction, the clot that has obstructed blood flow. If you present outside of that 24 hours, then the treatment would include an antiplatelet drug, that is to prevent the platelets from sticking together and form any further clots to prevent another stroke, and fluids to try to increase blood flow to the brain.
Oftentimes after a stroke, persons develop complications which can be debilitating and sometimes could also lead to death, which is why recognizing the symptoms early is important.
Everybody can remember BEFAST, be fast. B is for balance. Any loss of balance, that's a sign. E is for eyes, any change in your vision. F is for face, any twisting of the face to any particular side. A is for arm, any weakness to the arm. And S is for speech, any change in your speech. And T is for time, brain is time. You need to get to us as quickly as possible.
Dr. March Downer says persons who have hypertension, diabetes, and cholesterol issues are at greater risk of suffering from a stroke. With her health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.